Hello friends, welcome back again in the practical session now. Now here we are for the AC maintenance of Swift Desire car, which is of 2011 make. As you can see that the machine is now outside, it means that the machine is completely portable. You can shift the machine with the help of these wheels from one place to another. So as we have discussed in the demonstration of the machine, we have got 2 points. One is of red color and one is of blue color. You all know that the red color is for high pressure line and the blue color is for low pressure line. Now what we have to do? We have to connect these two QRCs into the car. So first of all, I have to find out the high pressure line and the low pressure line. So this is the bonnet of the car. You can see the engine and the other accessories of the car automotive systems. Now what I have to do? I have to find the points where I have to connect these couplings. So first you can see that here it is written H. This is line for the AC. So for identifying the AC line, you can completely see that all the AC lines will be in aluminium. So on this line it is written H. When I'll open this, it is the one-way valve. You can see over here. This is for the high pressure line. Now second is I have to find for low pressure line. So here you can see that this line is coming from the evaporator and going back into the compressor. So this is the low pressure line. I will simply open this and the lower valve will open. But the gas will not come outside. Why it will not come outside? Because these points are closed. When these points will open, when I will connect these QRCs into these points. So now what we have to do? We have to connect this coupling. This coupling is QRC. It means how it will connect? It will connect by simply pushing it in the upward direction. So I have identified the high pressure line. Now what I will do? I will bring this coupling onto the high pressure line. And when it is completely fixed, I have to simply close it. Now I have closed it. You can see onto the machine that high pressure panel is raised. Now what I have to do? I have to connect this low pressure line. It is completely connected. I have checked it. And then what I will do? I will simply close the QRC. Now this is fixed. Now I have connected all the hose pipes into the car. We will start servicing the AC machine. So first option is AC services. I'll simply enter into this option. I have entered. There are 3 modes: automatic mode, manual mode and additional services. I'll click on the manual mode to start AC servicing. So first option is recovery option. Recovery means the gas which is present into the system. I have to take out this gas back into this machine. So I'll click on with the help of this right button. I'll set the recovery. Now it is asking for recovery time. I can keep the recovery time 4 minutes. It depends on you that how much you have to fix this time. So I have taken it 4 minutes. Then next option is HP and LP hose are connected or not. It is connected as we have done it already. Now I'll start on the machine by clicking on the enter. So you will see the green light coming out from the on the LED panel, and the option is coming, that is check availability of oil bottle. So our oil bottle is here. I'll simply do it. Okay, yes, it is available. Now the recovery is started. Right now it is 0 gram. That means 0 gram gas has come out. As the time passes, will reach to 4 minutes. Then this value will increase. So now you are seeing that the gas has started recovery. It is something around 8600 grams, which of the gas has come out from the system. As the time passes, this value will again increase. Now what we have done, we have recovered the full gas from the car, and now we will proceed for the next step. And next step is, again we'll go to AC services, then to manual mode, then the next step is vacuuming. Now here you can see on the dials that the pressure is at the 0 position in both HP line and LP line. Now we'll have to create the vacuum for testing the system, that if there is any leak is present or not. Now we will again go to AC services. I'll click onto the AC services, again to the manual mode. Now next option is vacuuming, that is it will create the negative pressure in the system. I'll click on vacuuming. Then there are two options over here. First is vacuum creation time. I'll set it to 2 minutes. Then it is vacuum test. Here in this mode, it will set the vacuum into the lines and it will hold it for some time. I have to set that time, and that time also I have set it to 2 minutes. Then I'll click the enter button. Now here you can see that the creation of the vacuum has started. How do I come to know that? Because that green LED is blinking onto the top panel. Now the machine has again started and it is creating the vacuum in the system. Now if you look onto the dials, the dial has gone to the negative pressure in HP line also and in LP line also. Now you can see that the hold of vacuum has been started. The pressure was 90 millibars and now it is holding for some time. I have set the time to 120 seconds. So here the seconds is going on. It is 107, 106 and so on. Now onto the summary screen, you can see that the operation is completed. Buzzer was going on. Vacuum it has created for 120 seconds. It has hold the vacuum for 120 seconds and the vacuum pressure was 140 bar. Now what we have to do, I will simply click the enter button. It is showing two options, that is first is enter to print and press to return. I will return back. Again I will go to the AC services, then to the manual mode. Then the third option is recharge oil. I'll click on to recharge oil. It is asking that how much PAG oil I have to recharge. So I'll set it to 40 milliliter as per the specifications of Maruti Suzuki Swift Dzire. Next is I have to go for R134A. So R134A for Maruti Suzuki Swift Dzire is 400 grams. So I'll set it to 400 grams and then I'll click on enter button. So it is now checking the resources. It is showing that R134 is there or not. Now it is blinking that check availability of oil bottle. So here you can see that we have got the fresh PAG oil bottle. So now what I will do, I will click on to the enter button as the oil bottle is present. So now you can see that it is recharging oil. It has begun the oil recharge method and now it will recharge the oil which I have set to 40 milligrams. Now you can see that the oil has been recharged. Now R134A will recharge, which I have set to 400 grams as per the specifications guided by Maruti Suzuki Swift Dzire. So now on the panel you can see that once the refrigerant will go into the system, this needle will go up, both of high pressure and low pressure. Now the gas has started recharging. You can see it is now 376 grams and you can see the pressure on the high pressure dial and the low pressure dial, the pressure has risen up. I have set it to 400. So once the 400 grams of gas will go into the system, it will automatically stop. So now you can see that the system has been recharged. It is showing the message that remove the coupler and start hose draining. So first of all, what I will do, I will open the QRCs of both high pressure and low pressure. And then I will pull it up. High pressure QRC is released and then low pressure QRC is released. Now again we'll come onto the machine. I have removed the coupler. I'll click on right. And next is start hose drain, means the gases which are present in the hoses will again go back into the recovery cylinder. So I'll click on this option also and I will select it. Then hoses will start draining out. Now when we were performing the practical, you have clearly seen that the vacuum pressure was created and it was hold for 120 seconds. It means that there was no leakage in the system. if there was a leakage in the system, then what we can do is we can check the leaks with the help of different methods. First, as I have already mentioned, that I can put the UV dye into the metal bottle, and then with the help of UV light I can identify the small leaks. Second is, what we can do is we can take this cloth or foam dipped in soap water, and then what we can do is we can simply move the cloth onto the lines. Once the bubble formation will start, it will show that here the leak is present. Now, next point that I have to cover is the safety precautions that I have to use while doing the recharge or maintenance of the air conditioning system. First and most important, that you don't have to remove the gas into the atmosphere, as this gas is harmful for human health. So if you remove the gas and extract the gas into the atmosphere, then it can affect to the human health. After the refilling work is complete, then do notice to cover the valves with the help of dust caps. Remember to switch off the car while performing any type of maintenance work into the automotive air conditioning system. Thank you. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.